Introduction and Warm-Up. Hello and welcome back to our practice space. Today, we will focus on speaking clearly and confidently. Remember, you do not need to rush. Just listen to my voice and repeat after me. We are building your English skills step by step. Take a deep breath and relax your shoulders. Clear your mind and focus on the sounds. Speaking English should feel natural and easy. Don't worry about making mistakes today. Mistakes are just part of the learning process. The morning routine. My alarm clock rings early in the morning. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. I turn off the alarm and stretch my body. The house is very quiet at this time. I get out of bed and open the curtains. I like to see the sunlight come into the room. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. Cold water helps me wake up quickly. I look in the mirror and smile at myself. Then I go to the kitchen to drink water. Drinking water first thing is healthy for you. I put water in the kettle to make tea or coffee. While the water boils, I prepare my breakfast. I usually eat oatmeal or toast with jam. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I check the weather on my phone. It looks like it will be a sunny day today. After breakfast, I wash my dishes immediately. I brush my teeth and get dressed for the day. I pack my bag and check that I have my keys. Commute, work, and study. I leave my house at 8 a.m. The air outside feels fresh and cool. I walk to the bus stop near my home. Sometimes I drive my car to work. The traffic is usually busy in the morning. I listen to a podcast while I travel. I arrive at my office or school on time. I say good morning to my colleagues. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. First, I check my important emails. I write a list of things to do today. Being organized helps me feel less stressed. I focus on my work for 2 hours. If I have a question, I ask for help. Asking questions is a good way to learn. I have a meeting with my team at 10 a.m. We talk about our projects and goals. I take notes in my notebook so I don't forget. The morning passes very quickly when I am busy. I try to stay focused on one task at a time. Afternoon and lunch. At 1 p.m., it is finally time for lunch. I stop working and close my laptop. I usually bring a homemade lunch with me. Sometimes I go to a restaurant with friends. I like to eat a salad or a sandwich. Lunch is a time to relax and recharge. I do not talk about work during lunch. After eating, I go for a short walk outside. The fresh air gives me new energy. I return to my desk feeling refreshed. The afternoon is often quieter than the morning. I finish my reports and reply to messages. I drink a cup of green tea in the afternoon. I start to clean my desk around 4:30 p.m. I like to leave my workspace tidy for tomorrow. Evening and relaxation. I finish work at 5 p.m. and go home. The commute home is a time to unwind. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes. I sit on the sofa for a few minutes. I talk to my family about their day. We decide what to cook for dinner. I enjoy cooking because it is creative. We chop vegetables and prepare the meal together. The kitchen smells delicious while we cook. We eat dinner together at the table. No phones are allowed at the dinner table. After dinner, I help wash the dishes. Then I have some free time for myself. I like to read a book or watch a movie. Sometimes I call a friend to say hello. I check my phone one last time. I prepare my clothes for the next morning. I lock the doors and turn off the lights. The house becomes quiet and peaceful again. I feel tired but happy about the day. Nighttime routine. I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I wash my face with warm water. I put on my pajamas and go to my bedroom. I turn on a small lamp by my bed. I write in my journal for 5 minutes. I write 3 things I am thankful for. This helps me sleep with positive thoughts. I turn off the lamp and close my eyes. The bed feels soft and warm. I take a deep breath and drift to sleep. Conclusion and encouragement. You did a wonderful job listening today. Practicing every day makes a big difference. Be proud of the effort you made. I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Keep listening, keep shadowing, and keep learning.